Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'll be making money as usual. Even if you are not making money in today's video, I'm going to do my best so you can start making money by the end of this video. Because what I'm going to tell you here is going to change your trading forever. So I'm going to explain to you guys exactly how you can get funded with Forex Prop Firm and how you can make life-changing money. So the path you have to follow is when you start trading, you don't want to jump this step. Okay, that's one thing that you guys are having as issues. When you start, you are seeing yourself making millions within the first 3 months or within the first 6 months. The thing is a game that's actually rewarding, and you also have to take your time to learn the skill. The same way when you go to school, from primary school to the secondary school to college or whatever, it takes you years for you to graduate and get a job and whatever. So it's the same way when you are learning how to trade. You have to give yourself the time to learn properly. So what do? You need a proper trading strategy that you have to follow. You have to use that trading strategy to trade your maybe your personal account or your profit, whatever. So you have to learn properly and you have to backtest properly. You have to know that you know how to trade. You can make money from trading before you deposit money in uh your broker, whatever. The same way, if now let's say a pilot, I've gone to the school and I've learned how to let's say pilot a let's say fly a plane, okay? If I've learned how to fly a plane, I'll never go and enter the plane if I don't know how to actually fly it. I may go to that school, but if I don't learn probably how to fly the plane, I'll just go and crash that plane. I hope that makes sense. The same way when you're learning how to trade, you have to only go to live account when you know that you can start making money. So don't go to the live account if you know that you cannot make money on demo account. Once you are good on demo, that means you get a strategy that works, and then you can demo you can demo, and if you know that you're making money from demo account, then you can now go to the live account. Okay. And if you guys don't have a profitable strategy, you can check the link below this video. It'll give you access to my mentorship. But you guys have to understand, learning how to trade is better if you can learn from someone that actually knows how to trade. Okay. The same way, if you should go to school to become a pilot, you want to go to a school where they actually have pilot. There are people that know how to fly a plane so that you can learn from them. So if you can't learn from someone that knows how to trade, then eventually you're gonna be like that person. So the reason why I'm asking you guys, if you want to get funded, you can check my mentorship, is because I know how to trade. And as I'm talking here, I had over $11,000 last month in payout. And also, as I'm talking here, I also have a payout pending with Funded Next, which is gonna be in 10 days, I think a $2,000 payout or something like that. So if you guys want to learn how to trade properly, you can check out the mentorship below. Or if you already know how to trade, let's go to the next step. So if you know how to trade, you've backtested it and you've seen results. The next thing you have to do is you have to follow that trading strategy when you are trading live. The same way when you learn at school, you go for becoming a pilot and you've learned how to fly a plane. Once you are on the real plane, you also want to apply the same thing you've learned at the training. So the same way, trade your live account the same way. But then for me, I like trading with prop firms, Forex prop firms. That means that what you do is you buy an account with a Forex company, right? You can buy maybe a $10,000 account, a $100,000 account. But the good thing is you can get bigger capital to trade with while you are paying less money to get the account. So that means that when you are getting a $100,000 account, it costs you maybe $500 to get the account. But then once you get the account, you have to prove to those companies that you know how to trade by passing phase one, making 8%, passing phase two, making 5%. And once you like validate all the phases, then you can now get the live account. And once you get the live account, what you have to do is you trade that live account, and any profit you make, you can share with that company. So probably most of the time is like you get 80% of the profit you make and the company gets 20% of the commission. So what happened? You only spend $500 and you get like $100,000 real account, which you make, let's say, $5,000 on that real account, and then you eventually gonna get like a $4,000 payout. So you can, it's quickly or it's easier to make a lot of money from you trading prop firms than you trading your own capital. Instead of you depositing $100 on your personal capital or in your personal broker, you take that $100 and then you buy an account. I think you can get like a $10,000 account or sometimes even a $25,000 account for that $100, and any profit you make on that account after passing the phase one and phase two, then it's life-changing money. You can get that money for yourself and you can use it for anything else. So the way I myself I build my capital is that I first learn how to trade, so I know how to trade already. And then I trade with prop firms. Still now, I'm still trading with Forex prop firms. And then when I trade and I make money, I withdraw that money to deposit in my personal account. As I'm talking here, I'm able to get myself a personal $25,000 account. I can deposit $25,000 account in my personal account and I can trade with it. Okay. But at the beginning when I started, I couldn't deposit 25,000. Maybe what I could have deposited was like $100, $50, or maybe $500. But I cannot deposit 25,000. As I'm talking, is because I made a lot of money from trading prop firms, and that money allows me to deposit in my personal account and start trading and make money. Okay, so all I'm telling you guys is learn how to trade properly. This is the end of 2024. So 2025 till now, if you are still not profitable, all you have to do is try to get that one course, learn, back test. Once you see that the thing is going well, then you can now see if you're consistent or demo. Then you can go to live account and you can get some challenge with support forex prop firms. If you ask me if I can advise you some prop firms you can get funded with, you can maybe check you can check FTMO, you can check Funded Next, you can check Multiverse Funding, which is I'm part of the team for the fund Multiverse Funding. So you can check out Multiverse Funding as well as this one. You can check out Funding Pips as well. So these are some of the prop firms I work with. So if you guys want to get funded, you can check any of them, link below this video. So get your account and then you start making your life changing money. I really hope that this video is gonna help you to level up your trading and everything in between. And really hope you success and hope someday we may meet and whatever. So hope you the best and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel if you like this sort of content. Thank you.